just a lot of rain around Chicago, very prolific lightning around the area, and dangerous conditions because of the lightning and also the very strong rain, heavy rain, falling on saturated ground around Chicago has no place to go. Many of our smaller streams have been topped out as far as rain is concerned, and to add more to that, some of these streams just can't handle it. But that's sometimes a delayed reaction we see later as runoff from these storms starts to enter those streams and cause problems. We do have flooding concerns for the southern part of our region. We have an aerial flood concern down here because of widespread rain over those saturated grounds. And boy, we have a lot of concerns actually right now. We have a flooding concern throughout this region here, and it extends to the south, but it runs into a wind advisory that's in the brownish area that you're looking at. This wind advisory is up today because of the very strong winds that we have and gusty winds, and that wind advisory is due to go until 12 o'clock. Now, this down here is a tornado watch area, and this extends through northwest Indiana. It does go to Porter County. It's covered up by the wind advisory, and then to areas south of here too. And that's where we have these very strong storms that are moving through. These are storms that tracked up from the area of Champaign, Illinois, where earlier this morning we saw a tornado touchdown near Champaign. Shortly thereafter, we had a tornado touchdown, actually visibly seen by the public, near Paxton, which is a little bit north of Champaign. And that whole area rode up to the northeast. And this is the parts of that storm that have made it all the way up to our viewing area into Newton County and Jasper County and Porter County and soon LaPorte County, and is packing quite a punch. Quite a punch is just a thunderstorm with heavy rains, and on top of that, some rotation indicated in this storm that would indicate that we have perhaps some tornado formation above. Radar indicated tornadoes that could touch down eventually. Now, here's where the storm is currently, and you're looking at an area like Walker that's under the gun for 11:05 this morning. It's 2 minutes from now. Taft, 11:25, and Dunn's Bridge at 11:29 as this continues to track up to the north toward the direction of LaPorte County. So that's the one tornado warning that we have for a tornado aloft. And then we have a second tornado concern, and that's a little bit to the north, tracking in the same general direction, northeast. These have been moving at around 35 miles per hour or so and tracking to the northeast while the whole storm itself slowly moves to the east. So we can't wait for it to move to the east and get out of our area here. So the other tornado warning has been up to the north of there, Jasper County into Porter County, and giving us, and you can see the outline of it here. And this gives us a radar indicated rotation aloft. That is an indicator of a tornado that can be formed overhead that can come down and touch on the ground. So take cover, just be safe, don't chance it. Okay, we have La Crosse at 11:25. La Crosse Elementary School is in the path of this storm, and also Thomaston at 11:52. But this is due to expire at 11:15 this morning. So we hope it doesn't hang around long enough to affect these other areas. Currently, the tornado warning you're looking at here is just supposed to exist till 11:15, and then they think it'll diminish. And that's what happened with earlier ones we saw. Tornado warning has been issued for Porter County because this has moved into Porter County. And again, that's until 11:15. So they're just extending this out as it continues to track to the northeast. This has been a morning of very heavy rainfall across the Chicago area and northwest Indiana, and we've been watching this very carefully. Chicago, we thought, was no longer under the gun because you can see how it calmed down, but lo and behold, about an hour ago, we had one strong storm that came through, and that's what gave us the tornado, and that was out in the Shorewood area. It was reported wind damage from a possible tornado near Kendall Ridge Boulevard and Townsend Boulevard in Joliet. Tree damage, large objects flipped, fenced, blown out, and window blown out. So that is in the area of Shorewood near Joliet. A tornado warning was issued for areas a little bit north of there, up toward Naperville and Wheaton.